We're building this van for a good few months.
We bought it end of November. We started converting in December.
Very cold for building a van, especially when we don't have a garage or...
Yeah. At Christmas time I was fitting a first window inside.
Yeah, it's good in this country, it's not snowing.
But it's freezing.
Yeah. Anyway, I've been living in England for 15 years, being a full-time hairdresser, enjoying work, and now enjoying building a van.
And then a few years less than Paula in England. I'm a builder, so I've got a little bit of experience to do our home on wheels.
I'm very good manager.
She's a good manager, but not all experience from building side is actually working here, isn't it?
I can paint. Why we decide to get this big van? Why?
Because our two vans before were definitely too small for our sports,
our trips to seaside with plenty of kites.
So definitely we need much more storage than you can have in a short wheelbase van.
Yeah, so we want to make sure we're gonna be comfortable with this van.
But doesn't matter how long we wanna travel. It's gonna be enough space to take everything.
So what we're gonna do today?
I'm gonna do your drink concert.
Yeah, right.
Planning to start organizing all our furniture, if I can call it like that.
Yeah. So here is going to be bed. Imagine. Here you're gonna washing all the dishes. You will do.
I will.
Here I'm gonna cooking. What else?
The shower is gonna be where the camera is.
Shower behind the bed.
Yes? Yes?
Yes.
I'm doing shower. We're gonna have a washroom right in this corner of our van.
Another beautiful day.
Yeah, another beautiful day on lockdown. We're about 30 days now. But van is not the only thing which we're doing on our lockdown. We've got house to finish, refurbishment, and we've got a garden around. Luckily we've got a forest close by as well. So a little sneaking out for a walk or cycling. Good.
Yes, so many beautiful places around. Hopefully soon we're gonna finish the van and gonna have a fun with our new house, and we're gonna discover lots of beautiful places in the world.
I like it.
Let's see. Oh wow.
Have a shape, and I don't have more timber. So it's time for daily activities as cycling, walking, running, or for Paula's favorite yoga, or just simply exercising at home. Are there crazy ideas on our quarantine as we've got plenty time now?
I will be welcome to Bahama Mama.
So after a few days waiting, we had deliveries and we got plenty materials now to keep going with our conversion.
This van is going to be perfect for our traveling. What do you think, Michał?
Of course.
It is going to be our third van now, what we had it. First one was Volkswagen T3 from 1982. Beautiful, amazing, of yellow.
Your favorite.
My favorite, but just driving and fixing the van was incredible hard. We bought it without engine. We find amazing mechanic, so he fixed for us and he looked after very well the van. So next one was Volkswagen T5.
2007.
2007, yeah. We thought we were gonna build very nice camper van that was a little bit too small, not enough space.
We decided to have something bigger.
Well, we find this one. This beauty had as well lots of trouble to start.
Like everyone, like
I
every
know.
single van.
And again, engine problem. Not many garages want to fix it because it was too big and expensive to fix. We didn't give up. Yeah. And we did fix, so it cost us lots of money, but now we're building this beautiful house. Oh, we're building.
Which hopefully gonna drive forever now.
Definitely, yeah. Well, this one is just dream come true, honestly. It's going to be perfect house for us.
So here is gonna be our oven and a fridge. It's gonna be sink on this side. Bed right on the middle and a shower just up there on the back. Always have to change your mind. So here is our first control panel fitted. There's going to be a few more as solar control, master switches, water tanks, level control. And as we're planning to have at least 3 batteries, some of them are going to be just there on the bottom, and I'm going to try to use the space under the seat as well to fit more. And we need to decide is the cupboard over the bed is not going to be too big. If my legs are going to fit there, as they're quite long. It's going to be just like that. Imagine the bed's gonna be that high. Is that area big enough? So as we spoke with Paula about that cupboard, just gonna try to make it a little bit deeper and big as we spoke. So I decided to use a 1.5 inch timbers with a 9mm plywood, a part of 15 lightweight, as the weight is gonna be similar, but I think this should be a little bit more solid. And I'm screwing and gluing them all together to make it stronger and prevent from funny noises.
Co, trzymasz tak?
No tu mocno dopychaj, no.
Ale nie wywiercisz.
Postaram się. No tak.
To jest okej?
Tak.
O!
Go.
Where is my builder?
Hiding.
I don't hide, just do your job, man. beautiful.
Am I?
No. Ta-da! So nice job.
Nagrywasz?
Tak.
I don't know how many times more I'm gonna take off that boiler. I'm gonna finish that someday. And again, I'm taking off the boiler. Of course, that's never so easy. Different brands, different makes, different sizes of connectors. Not very often is matching all together. So you just have to make it work, isn't it? Keep waiting for water filter, but here is our pump and expansion tank with a boiler above and the pipes growing across where the sink gonna be. And the next stage is waste pipe. That's my plan, making our cupboards from a full sheet of plywood. Cut off the doors. So the plan is to use timber like this to make a recess doors for our cupboards. Like this.
Of that cupboard, tak? Yes.
Our doors for cupboards, yeah.
So what are you trying to do?
I want to decide, should I leave a simple straight edge, a rounded edge, or something a little bit different, more fancy, like some of those. What do you reckon, babe?
I don't know. Just do the most difficult.
And here we go, our first door fitted. And the cupboard is big enough, definitely.
For me.
As it's raining today, we have to stay at home. We've got plenty to do at home inside, as we're doing loft conversion. So stay at home today.
Horrible weather. Cold and raining. We have plenty work at home. That is pleasure to share with you our camper van project.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in another episode.